Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video I'm going to show you that how this notification is going to work with Windows 11. As you can see, if I click here along with this calendar, I can see all this notification that's going to show me for different app. So how I can change these notification when I'm going to receive in this desktop for different app. So for focus assist, I am going to make another video, so this is only going to be for notification. So we have several methods to change these settings. The first method that we can access, there's the shortcut key that we can use Windows key and I, so we can bring the settings of Windows 11. And the second way, we can click on the start menu and find the settings of Windows 11. So here, as you can see, we have this notification. So let me click here. So if I am going to turn off, so everything under notification is off, so I receive no notification for different app. So here I'm going to turn on this notification. So when you're going to turn on this, here is going to show this OneDrive security and maintenance. So make sure you turn on this, because if you turn off this, no notification is going to show up here. So if I click on the notification, as you can see, show notification on the lock screen. So whenever this is checked, so on the lock screen it's also going to show all the notification. So here, show reminders and incoming voice over IP calls on lock screen. So here, when you receive any call from Skype or WhatsApp or any other app, so simply you are going to receive that notification inside your Windows. Make sure you check this one, but if you uncheck this, it means that it's not going to show reminders and incoming voice calls on the lock screen when your computer is on this lock screen. So allow notification to play sound. So along with your notification, when you're going to receive a sound's also going to be play, but here when you didn't hear anything, so it means that the sound's not playing with that, so the notification is actually deaf. So make sure you check this one if you want to see the notification and also hear the notification. The last option is going to work for the sounds. As you can see, for the notification from apps and other senders here, if I uncheck this OneDrive, so if we want to receive OneDrive notifications, so then we will not receive anything because we unchecked or turned off this one. So as same like OneDrive, here we have the security and maintenance, privacy, Google Chrome, autoplay. I think for Google Chrome it's off, for autoplay, for VPN, for setup phone length, for battery saver, BitLocker drive encryption, and also for settings and startup notification. So the startup notification is different, because if we click on the startup notification, as you can see, we can change some option. Like if I uncheck this one, so this notification not going to show me here. If I check this one, show notification banner, so whenever anything is going to happen with these apps, so it's going to show up like on the top of this taskbar on the right here. So if I uncheck this show notification in notification center, so I can't hear. If I show notification, so nothing is going to show me in this notification center, because when I'm going to click, this is the notification center. So make sure you check this one so you can see all the notification here. And also here we have this hide content when notification or on lock screen. So here we can check or you can play a sound when a notification arrives. So here if you uncheck this one, so the notification that we can turn on for the sounds that we can receive here, as you can see, allow notification to play sound. So this is going to work for all of these apps. But if I going to use this startup and play a sound when a notification arrive, so it's going to only work for these notification on a startup. So this is going to be for a startup notification. It means that if I go to this notification, if I want to change something, so this is going to be for whole notification that we are going to receive, but this one is going to be for a startup only. When your computer is going to start up, so then it's going to show up. So play a sound and I'm going to turn on this, and here we have this priority of notifications in notification center. As you can see now it put to normal. So if I select this high mean that show above normal priority notification in notification center, or if I select this top, show at the top of action center. So here it's going to give the priority for your notification in this notification center that you're going to receive. So you want to give it the top priority, you want to give it the high, and you want to give it normal. So we are going to select this as a normal when we are going to receive notification on the startup app. So here we are going to click on the notifications. As you can see, for each of these notifications, simply we can click on the specific app, and we can change these options for a specific apps that we have listed over here. So maybe we want to change something for autoplay, so we are going to click here. As you can see, if I uncheck this one, nothing is going to show me, but if I check this one, it's going to show me any notification for autoplay right over here, and also in this notification center as well. So maybe you watch one of our videos about autoplay, that how we can turn autoplay for our removal drive. And here also, if you going to show notification banner, so nothing is going to show up here, but if this is checked, it means that it's going to show on the notification center. And also if I scroll down, as you can see, we can change all these options for a specific app as well, not only for a startup, but we can change for these specific apps as well. So this is how notifications work with Windows 11. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.